In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Axiom Pro theme. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description that will get you a 10% discount off of your trading fees for life. So once you click on that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to go right over here and click on Start Trading. Make sure keys shows up right over here under the invite code section to make sure you get that discount. Once you've logged in, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and we're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand corner and look for this pink tray icon. Click on it, and that's going to bring you to the customize theme section where you can customize the color of your theme. For example, if I wanted to change this color to a red, just go right over here, pick the color. You can go over here to also to the interface theme, and you can change it from dark to dusk mode, and that's what that looks like. I actually prefer the dark theme, so I'm going to go back to that. Click on done. Now if you go into the pulse section, you'll also see that everything has been changed. And if you want to further customize your theme, you can go over here to display, and this gives you a few more options. You can make your metrics large or small. You can change the size of the quick buy from small, large to mega. You can also just make it gray buttons. You can show the search bar up top, which I think is very useful. You can change the images from squares to circles. And you can change the progress bar, which is this right over here, from a straight line to oval, which goes around the image. I think that a straight line is just easier to see. And you can space the table as well from that to that. Other things you can do is customize rows. You can select or unselect whatever you want to show up right over here. For example, if insiders is not important for you, you can go right over here, toggle it on or toggle it off. If top 10 holders isn't important to you, you can also toggle that off. Dex paid, and so on. You can actually uncheck all of them if you want, but I think they're actually useful, so I'm going to keep them on. And that's how to customize your Axiom Pro theme. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It'll really help me out, and like the video.